Topic of the day is euthanasia. Should it be legal or not?
I think euthanasia is good because it lets people who are suffering avoid a lot of pain and have a better death.
I disagree with you. Most of the pain can be taken away by medicines so people don't suffer at all.
But people have free will. This means that they have the right to choose what to do with their lives, and if they choose to die, they should be allowed to.
Things are starting to get tense with some good points from both teams.
As I said, if we think our quality of life is not good enough, we should have the right to die.
But most religions are against it. Plus, for euthanasia to take place, you need someone to help them die, which is assisted suicide or even murder. Killing someone is morally wrong.
It wouldn't be so bad, because the person suffering would ask you to do it. Not letting someone choose what to do with their life is worse.
When it's involuntary euthanasia, doctors and family choose for someone else's life to end or carry on. That is not their decision to make.